Hello everybody and welcome back for today's puzzle. We are continuing along in the book. If you would like to follow along with me, again there is a link down below in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. So today looks like we're doing puzzle number 55. So let's start with this box. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4 and an 8. We've got a 4 there, so 8 and 4. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5 and an 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8 and 5. If we do this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4 and a 7. We've got a 7 there, so 4, 7. Let's see. We do this row, looks like we're missing a 2, a 5, and a 9. We've got a 2 there, so 5 or 9. We've got a 5 there, so 2 or 9. And a 5 here, so again 2 or 9, and that means that our 5 has to be here. If we work on this box now, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 there, so 7, 9, 3 here, and a 7 here. So that means this is our 9, 7, 3. If we look at this row now, looks like we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 there, so 4 or 9. A 4 there, so 7, 9, oh, and a 7 and a 9 there. So 4, 9, 7, and that makes this our 2 and 9. Finish out this box here, looks like we're only missing a 2. If we do this column, we're missing a 1 and a 9, and we've got no help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here. So 2, 8. No help here. So 2, 6, 8. And a 2 and an 8 there. So 6. And we can get rid of that 6 right there. If we do this row, looks like we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got no help here, so 1, 5, 9. Here we've got a 1, so 5, 9. Up, and there we've got a 1 and a 9. So this is our 5, 9, 1. All right, if we do this row, looks like we're missing 4, 5, and 8. Oh, we've got a 5 and an 8 there, so this is our 4, but no help on the other two, so 5 or 8, 5 or 8. If we finish out this column, looks like we're just missing a 3. For this column, we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 7. We've got 3 there and the 7 there, so 1, again 7 there, 3, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6, and we don't, oh, we have a 6 there, so 2, 6. Finish out this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 8. For this box, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 5 there, so 2, 5. For this row, looks like we're missing 2 and a 9. We've got a 2 there. 9 and 2. Finish out this box, we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 3 there, so 6 and 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 and a 5 there, so this is our 8, 5, 4. That 5 means this is our 8. That 8 says this is our 2 and 8. up, and this 1 here makes this our 9 and our 1. So then just to finish out this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 9. We've got the 9 there, so 5 and 9. All right, that was it for today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. Please do hit that like and subscribe and the reminder bell, and share it with someone else who you think would enjoy the content. And we will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.